Good morning, 1st July 2020. In last some periods, we see the topic of algebra, linear equation in two variable. Today, we start mathematics part 2nd standard 10. Here is a textbook of mathematics from Balbharti. Here is symbol of Balbharti. Then there is a building is given here, and from the top of the building there is angle of elevation to this bird. That is, we find the distance of that bird from the top of the building, again distance of the tree from the building, again there is distance, that is the height of tree. We easily find out by using geometry, that is trigonometry. Height of tree by this acute angle, that is the ratio of tan theta. We see detail in trigonometry, that is trigonometry lesson. There is committee GR of Abhyas 2116 is given here. Here is again symbol of Balbharti, Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook Production, Co-Curriculum Research, Pune. Here is a important thing for student. Now here, इथे जो दीक्षा ॲपसाठी तुम्हाला QR कोड दिलेला आहे, तो तुम्ही तुमच्या स्मार्टफोनच्या किंवा मोबाईल, तुमच्याकडे जो फोन आहे अवेलेबल, त्याच्या QR स्कॅनरने स्कॅन केला तर तुम्हाला पूर्ण टेक्स्टबुकच्या व्हिडिओ पण पाहता येईल, काही दृकश्राव्य हे पण बघता येईल. ओके, नाउ देअर इज चेअरमन पर्सन डॉक्टर मंगला नार्वेकर अँड द कमिटी ऑफ टेक्स्टबुक writers. Again, here is publisher name, and now is the important the Constitution of India. Then you know the national anthem is given here. Then and after that there is a for student what is importance of QR code is there. Additional audio visual material regarding each lesson will be available to you by QR code through app. It will definitely useful for student to study. This address given to Dr. Sudhir Magar, Director of Maharashtra State Bureau of Textbook. Then there is a topics. Okay, geometry two चे दोन lessons है, similar triangle and circle. Coordinate geometry is a coordinate geometry lesson. Measurement surface area and volume, trigonometry. Okay, now there is a total 10 practicals are given here. Then after that, index, total number of chapters are 6. First one is similarity, second one is first similarity, then similarity is first chapter, then Pythagoras theorem second, circle, geometry construction, coordinate geometry and trigonometry. Each chapter for SSC board examination is for approximate 10 marks, that is 60 marks approximate paper. Out of 60 you can solve the 10, and last lesson is mensuration. So total 7 chapters are there. First one similarity, second Pythagoras theorem, third circle, fourth geometric construction, fifth coordinate geometry, sixth trigonometry and 7 mensuration. तर नूतन त्र्यंबक विद्यालयाच्या सर्व 10वी क च्या विद्यार्थ्यांना मी नमस्कार करतो. देवरे DB सर. एकूण तुम्हाला 7 प्रकरण परीक्षेला येतील. सिमिलॅरिटी, पायथागोरस थेरम, सर्कल, जॉमेट्रिक कंस्ट्रक्शन, कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री, ट्रिग्नॉमेट्री, मेन्सुरेशन, आणि शेवटी उत्तर दिलेले आहेत आपले जे अभ्यास आहे त्याचे. नाउ up to November we have to complete this 5 chapters, that is similarity, Pythagoras theorem, circle, geometric construction and coordinate geometry of November and December. Okay, now we start today the first chapter, similarity. Ratio of areas of two triangles is the first topic, ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Now you do know the statement, the number A and B are in the ratio m/n is also written as the number A and B are in proportion A/B. Okay, then here what is given here, two number, that is suppose that this 15 is one number, 15 is one number and 20 is another number. Then 15 upon 20, so 15 and 20 is in table of 5. दोघं 5 च्या 5 च्या पाड्यात, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20, that is we got answer 3:4. Okay, that is this ratio is 3:4, m/n ratio, that is 3:4. that is the number A and B are in the ratio of m/n. Now you know the area formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is given by half into base into height. Half into base into height. Area of triangle half into base into height. Then there is some property. First property, ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay. Now here it is in diagram figure 1.1 and 1.2. Two triangles are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now in this triangle ABC, there is three vertex, vertex A, B, C, and this AD is perpendicular to BC. That is perpendicular drawn from vertex A to side BC. Perpendicular drawn from any vertex to opposite side is known as the height, and this side is now, we say that this is a base and this one is height. So what is in the height? That is the perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side is known as height, and this side is base. Similarly in triangle PQR, which is perpendicular drawn, PS is perpendicular drawn from P to side QR, that is PS is height, and we say that the QR is a base. Now we know what's the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we use here the formula for triangle ABC, half into base into height. Therefore half base is BC, height is AD. Similarly, formula for area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base is QR, height is PS. Now this half is get cancelled. We got area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD upon QR into PS. What's the BC? BC is the base of triangle ABC. What's the AD? AD is the height of triangle ABC. What's the QR? QR is the base of triangle PQR. What's the PS? PS is the height of triangle PQR. Now we got here only base of first triangle BC into height of first triangle AD. Similarly in denominator, base of second triangle QR into height of second triangle PS. So here we got the property, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding heights. So we got here first property for areas of two triangles, that is the ratio of the areas of any two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and corresponding height. That is the ratio of areas of two triangle is given as B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now there is some conditions. Suppose base is equal. Here in figure 1.3 and 1.4, what is given here? See here is base BC is given and on the base BC there is height is AD, that is perpendicular drawn from A to vertex A to side BC, that is AD is height, BC is base. Okay. Similarly, for second triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PS. Now what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height, that is BC, half of get cancel for ratio. By first property, the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of their product of their corresponding base and height. That is area of triangle ABC is equal to base BC into height H. Similarly, area of triangle PQR is equal to base QR into height PS. Now this height H's get cancelled. We got the ratio of areas of this triangle ABC upon triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR. That is base of triangle first triangle B1, that is BC, base of second triangle, that is QR. Now from this we got the second property, that is the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal heights. Here is height is equal, that is for triangle ABC height is AD, this AD is height, and triangle PQR height is PS, that is perpendicular drawn from P to QR. So height is equal HH, so H get cancelled. We got the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Okay. Now for second condition. Now this triangle in the figure 1.5, we see here triangle ABC, this one ABC, and triangle ABP having the BC is common, BC is same. Okay, side BC is same. Okay, APB and ABC, not BC, AB is equal. This side AB is same. Okay, this side AB is equal, therefore common, that is we see that this side AB is base of triangle ACB. Why? Because CD is perpendicular drawn from vertex C to side AB, and CQ is perpendicular drawn from vertex P to side PB, that is CD is height H1 and CD is height H1 and PQ is height H2, but base is common AB. For triangle ACB, base is AB, and for triangle APB, base is AB. That is, this base AB is common for triangle ACB as well as triangle APB. Therefore, what is the ratio of triangle ABC upon triangle APB? Equals to base into height, that is base of first triangle ACB is AB, second triangle APB is also AB. Therefore, AB on numerator there is a base of first triangle into height of first triangle, that is AB into H1, and denominator base of second triangle is also AB into height is H2. Now this AB is common, that is AB get cancel, this AB get cancel. We got the ratio of any two triangle having the common base is equals to the ratio of their corresponding height, that is H1 upon H2. We got the third property, the ratio of the areas of two triangle with equal bases equals to their corresponding heights. Okay, now see here we go to last property. Okay, there is now some review we got here. First one, what is the first property? first property is the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to ratio of their product of their corresponding base into height. That is the first one property. Is the very important. Write down from textbook. This is the first property. The ratio of the areas of two triangle is equals to the ratio of the product of their base and the corresponding heights. That is the ratio of their area is equals to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now there is second property. What's the second property? This one. Write down from textbook. The second property, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Okay. And the third property, this one, write down from page number 2 of textbook. The ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equals to ratio of their corresponding heights. That is the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of product of their base and the corresponding heights. That is B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. And the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal height is equals to ratio of their corresponding bases. That is A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2 if B1 equals to B2. And last property, the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base, that is B1 equals to B2, is equals to the ratio of their corresponding height, that is A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2. Now this one is the first activity. Write down or draw this activity in your activity book, 100 pages. Okay, it's important for your internal marks of SSC exam. On page number 3 there is this activity. There is 3 sums. Okay, solve these sums with diagram, that is figure 1.6, 1.7 and 1.8 in your activity book. Now there is we want to solve this activity. Okay, there is we want to find the we want to find area triangle ABC upon area triangle APQ. Now concentrate on triangle ABC. This vertex A, this vertex B and this vertex C. That is, this bigger triangle is known as triangle ABC. Okay, then which is the height? What is in the height? Height is the perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. उंची म्हणजे काय? शिरोबिंदूतून सम्मुख बाजूवर टाकलेला लंब. That is AR is the height. Okay, and what's the base of ABC? Obviously BC is the base. BC हा पाय आहे. Then what is given? Area of any two ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. So what's the base of triangle ABC? This BC is the base. Therefore I write here BC. Okay, BC is the base of triangle ABC. Okay, then product of their base and the height. Height is perpendicular drawn, that is AR is the height. AR is the height of this triangle ABC. Okay, now what's the denominator? Triangle APQ. Where is triangle APQ? This APQ. What's the height? Same. AR is the height. What's the base? APQ. PQ is the base. Therefore base into height, that is PQ into height AR. So this height is common for triangle ABC and triangle APQ. For this bigger triangle ABC and this one middle triangle APQ, height is same, AR is the height. So height get cancelled. We got the ratio of triangle ABC upon triangle AP equals to having the common height AR is equals to ratio of their corresponding bases, that is BC upon PQ. BC upon PQ. So write down this activity in your activity book under pages book. Okay, first activity given date 1st July 2020. Okay, now there is another second sum is there. Second activity, triangle LMN upon triangle DMN. Now where is triangle LMN? This one is the triangle LMN. Where is triangle DMN? This triangle DMN. Now again these two triangle is on the same base MN. Base is same. Base is same. But height is different. First triangle having the common height, and second 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 activity having the base is common and height is different. So put the values, fill the brackets for triangle LMN. This triangle LMN, LMN, that is this L, M and N. What's the base? That is LP is the height. LP is perpendicular to MN. Therefore MN is base. MN is base. What's the height? LP is the height. LP is the height. Similarly, for second triangle MDN or DMN. DMN. What's the base? MN again. What's the height from observation figure? Observe figure. DQ is perpendicular drawn from D to MN. That is DQ is height. So we got the answer. Area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle DMN is equal to LP upon DQ. LP upon DQ. We got the answer. LP divided by DQ. LP divided by DQ. That is the ratio of areas of two triangles having common base equals to their corresponding heights. That is height of first triangle LP upon height of second triangle PQ. Okay. LP upon DQ. Now third activity. Now see here, जसं आपल्या एखादा फ्लॅट असेल किंवा घर असेल तर स्लॅब समान पडलेला असेल तर सर्व रूमची उंची कशी असते? समान. Similarly, in triangle AMC, this one is triangle AMC. Okay, this triangle AMC and this triangle BMC. Okay, both triangles here, both triangle having the same height. Which is height given? Height is given here? No, height is not given, because what is the height? Height is the perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. Then for triangle AMC, perpendicular, that is from vertex, perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side, that is BC. This is the height. Suppose this one is H1, H. Now this height is also for triangle CMB also. Okay, that is perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. For CMB also same height is there. Therefore triangle AMC and triangle BMC having the same height H. Therefore ratio of area of triangle AMC and BMC having the common height H is equals to the ratio of their corresponding bases by third property. That is, base of triangle AMC is AM upon base of triangle BMC is BM. That is AM upon BM. Now what's here given? See here, we not read that one. what is given? M is the midpoint. Okay, then I ask you a question. M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. That is AM, length of AM equals to length of BM. Then what you say about CM? S. The segment which join vertex to the midpoint of opposite side is known as median. So CM is the median. CM is the median because M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, AM equals to BM. Suppose AM equals to BM is equal to X. Okay, because both are equal, that's why if AM equals to X unit, then BM also X unit. Therefore, this X upon X. Now, X's get cancelled. X1 the X, X1 the X. Therefore, we got answer 1. From this fourth activity, we conclude that the fourth property that the ratio of areas of two triangles having the common height and equal base is 1. That is, the ratio of the areas of two triangles having the common height and equal base is also equal. Now there is some solve example is given. This one is the first example. In this first example, what is given? Height of triangle ABC, that is AE. Height of triangle ABC, that is AE is given. AE is given 4. Height of first triangle AE is given 4 unit. This one is 4. Okay. Now is 4 given. And height of second triangle, that is DBF. DBF, that is DF perpendicular, is given 6. Is given 6. Now you want to find the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. Write down this sum from textbook from page number 3. Note that 4 properties activities write down in activity book, and this solve example is write down again in classwork book. All properties and this solve example in classwork book, and that activity is in activity book. Now this first example, there is height of first triangle AE is given 4 unit, height of second triangle DF given 6 unit. Then what we want to find? We want to find the area, the ratio of areas of first triangle ABC to the ratio of areas of triangle second triangle DBC. Now ABC, okay, focus on ABC. ABC, what's the base? BC is the base. Okay, now for triangle DBC, this DBC, again base is also BC. That is the common base ABC and DBC. Therefore, the property, if bases are equal, hence the area is proportional to height. That is area triangle ABC upon area triangle DBC is equal to first height of first triangle AE upon height of second triangle DF. That is 4 by 6. 4 and 6 in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. That is, we got the answer 2 upon 3. Okay. Now there is another sum. Second sum is there on page number 4. This in second sum, there is D is sign point on side BC, such that DC is equal to 6. DC is equal to 6 unit. Okay, this DC is 6 unit, and BC is 15. This BC is 15. Then what's the BD? BD is 9. 15, this 15, total 15 minus this 6 is equal to this one is 9. Okay, firstly solve this one. Write down this one. How you find BD? B dash D dash C, that is B dash D dash C, that is BDC are collinear. That's why BD plus DC is equal to BC. Therefore, BC is equal to BD is equal to BC minus DC. This BD is equal to total BC minus DC, that is 15 minus 6, that is we got BD 9. Therefore, from this one, we got here, we want to find first one, area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC. Now this ABD and this ABC is total. What's the height? Height is common for this all three triangles, that is triangle ABD, triangle ABC, triangle EDC. That's why by property, the ratio of areas of two triangles having the same height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So it's very simple. Area of triangle ABC upon area triangle ABC is equal to base of triangle ABC is BD and base of triangle ABC is BC. That is BD upon BC. Now we here find out the value of BD is 9. Okay, why? This total is given 15 BC. BC is 15, DC is 6. Therefore, BD is equal to total BC minus DC, that is 15 minus 6, that is 9. So put the value of this BD is 9. Okay, put the value of this BD is 9 and BC is 15. 9 and 15 are in table of 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. We got the first answer, the ratio of two triangle, that is ABD upon whole triangle ABC is equal to base of first triangle 9 upon base of total triangle, that is 15. 9 upon 15, that is 3:1. Now there is another second sum, second part of that sum. Okay, now for second part, we want to find area triangle ABD upon area triangle EDC. Similarly, ABD, that is the right triangle, this right side. Okay, this right side, and ADC left side, and this ADC is the right side. Then ABD having the height AP, ADC also having the height AP. Therefore, the ratio of these two triangles equals to ratio of their corresponding bases, that is BD upon DC. Now BD is 9, DC is 6. Again 9 in 6 in table of 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, that is the answer is 3. Here note that, write down property height equal, hence area proportional to base at each and every specific point. So write down these two sums and this activity in activity book and these total properties. That is property 1, the ratio on page number 2, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their product of their base and the corresponding height. Write down this first property in your textbook. Okay, the ratio of areas of any two triangle, put here any two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and the corresponding height. Then second property, the ratio of areas of two triangle with equal height is equals to ratio of their corresponding bases. And then write down last property, the ratio of two triangles with equal base is equals to ratio of their corresponding height. And the last one, from activity we got here a property, if height the ratio of areas of any two triangle you are having the common height and equal base is always 1. Okay, and solve these two examples. Okay, then from that one there is the last sum, theoretical. Here is parallelogram ABCD is given, therefore AD parallel to BC and AB parallel to DC, and triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Here this triangle ABC, this triangle A, B, C, and triangle B, this DC, having the same base BC and the common height. Therefore, ratio is equal. So here triangle ABC and triangle BDC having the in between two parallel lines, hence the distance between two parallel lines is the height of both triangle. Therefore triangle ABC and triangle BDC having the common base and equal heights therefore their ratio also areas also equal. Okay, similarly for second also triangle ABC and ABD. Okay, now there is foursome. These were important one. Now what is given here? AC is 16. This AC given 16. Okay, then DC is 9. DC is 9. Then what is the value of AD? AD is equal to 16 minus 9, that is 7. That is 7. This one is 7. Okay, this 16, this 9, therefore this AD is 16 minus 9, that is 7. Now first sum, find the area of triangle ABC upon ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Now this triangle ABC, where is triangle ABC? That is the total one. What's the height? BP is the height. What's the base? AC is the base. That is area of triangle ABC upon area BDC. This BDC. Now this triangle BDC is also height BD. Also height BP and base is DC. Okay, so what's here? See here. Firstly, we got AD. How we find AD? AD is equal to AC minus DC. That is 16 minus 9, 7. That is AD is 7. Now area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC having equal heights. Okay, all three triangles in this figure, triangle ABD, triangle BDC and triangle ABC having the common height BP. Common height BP, that is perpendicular drawn from B to base AC. So we know the property, the area of two triangles having the common base, equal heights, that is the height is equal. Therefore the ratio of these two triangles is equals to areas of this triangle are proportional to their bases. Therefore, first one, area triangle ABD upon area triangle ABC. ABD is the upper triangle, this one. What's the height? BP, and base is AD, that is AD upon AC, that is 7 upon 16. Now triangle ratio of area of triangle BDC upon ABC. BDC is this lower triangle, base is DC, and total is 16, 9 upon 16. Then the ratio of triangle upper upon below, that is ABD upon BDC, is equal to 7 upon 9. That is, areas of this triangle having equal height is equals to the proportional to their bases. So write down, there is why, how this comes. This comes from triangles having equal height is equals to proportional to the bases. Now remember these three properties, and write down again in your notebook. The ratio of two triangles is equals to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Okay, this is the first property. Okay, write down this first property. The ratio of any two triangles is equals to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Second one, areas of triangle with equal height are proportional to their corresponding bases. And third property, areas of triangle with equal base are proportional to their corresponding heights. That is, any two triangle A1 upon H2 equals to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. For second, if H1 equals to H2, then A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2. And for third one, if B1 equals to B2, then A1 upon A2 equals to H1 upon H2. Then there is first triangle, first sum, practice set 1.1 is given. Base of triangle is 9, height is 5, base of another triangle is 10, height is 6, find the area. Then simply here, area of first triangle is A1 upon area of second triangle is A2. By first property, the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of product of their corresponding base into height, that is base of triangle first is B1 into height is H1 upon second triangle base is B2 and height is H2. Write down the cos, that is the ratio of areas of any two triangle is equals to the ratio of product of their corresponding base and height, that is B1 is 9, H1 is 5, that is 9 into 5, 9 multiplied by 5 upon base of second triangle, another triangle is 10 into height is 6, 10 into 6. Now there is here 10 is in the table of 5, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This 9 and 6 in the table of 3, that is 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So you got answer 3 upon 4, 3 by 4. Okay, now solve this practice set 1.1. What's in second? Second, base is same, base is same, base AB is same. Therefore ratio of these two triangle is equals to their corresponding height, that is BC4 upon height of second triangle AD is 8. Therefore for ABC height is 4, ABC height is BC, and ADB height is 8. Therefore we got ratio 1:2, BC upon AD, that is 1:2. 2. Okay, 4 upon 2. Then for second sum, there is base into height, base into height. Okay, solve these 5 sums. Now for tomorrow's second jury lecture, we see about the basic proportionality theorem, very important one. BPT is known as BPT. Okay, bye bye.